Described and captioned media program. In the classroom and on the go. DCMP.org.
Ambrose Video Publishing Incorporated presents Nature's Microworlds, Insect Specials, Making Worlds.
At least one species of arthropod can be found in every microworld on Earth.
Title, Making Worlds.
From baking deserts and lush rainforests
Ants crawl over a bridge made of other ants.
to open oceans
Crabs cover a sea bottom.
and dark caves.
Dots of blue light glow on a wall. Outside, many butterflies move between trees.
And although seemingly insignificant in size,
A bee joins another on a sunflower.
the influence they have on our planet is immense.
The Described and Captioned Media program provides services designed to benefit students who are blind, visually impaired, deaf, hard of hearing, and deafblind. These services include a library of free loan described and captioned educational media, a clearinghouse of information related to educational media access, a gateway to internet resources related to accessibility, and a set of guidelines for adding descriptions and captions to media. There are no user registration or service fees. Visit the DCMP at dcmp.org. The DCMP is funded by the U.S. Department of Education and administered by the National Association of the Deaf.